Dude, it worked! I cannot believe it! I have got awesome news. I told you that we'd be sharing our frustrations and our awesome moments. Well, this was an awesome moment. All right, I started coding about 6 weeks ago, and I've been going through this incredibly complicated JavaScript course. And so I just wanted to show you this one problem that I just solved all by myself. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm just going to show it to you. Usually I wouldn't do it like this, but it just happened and I don't want to spend a bunch of time making some complicated video. This is the problem that I got. He says, I've coded an array. And real quick, if you don't understand any of this, it's fine. Just understand that this is about 6 weeks in, and this is where I'm at. So here we go. I've coded an array. That's what I'm already given. And so it says, code a while loop that looks for tigers in the array. And when tigers is found, an alert displays saying tigers is at index, whatever the array index is, in the array. Use the length of the array as the loop limiter. Break out of the loop when tigers is found. Don't change my code and add your code below it. So I just want to show you. Okay, so this is the array that he made. It's just got chiefs, bees, tigers, and bears. And I did the rest of this all by myself. I cannot believe it. So this is a while loop that I did to look for tigers and then to alert that the index is at blah, 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 blah. I will admit that this one little tiny I in brackets with the array thingy, I still do not understand. I understand how to do it, but I don't understand why it works. But I just want to show you this, man. I've got to do this. Let me get my right hand over here. I'm about to run it. Okay, here we go. Let's run this, and look what this says, dude. Tigers is at index 2 in the array. Dude, it worked! I cannot believe it! And you can do it! Keep going, man. When you think you can't take any more, keep going, you will get there. 6 weeks in, and I'm here. Wanted to share it with you. Hope you guys are doing awesome. We'll see you in the next video. Dude, leave me a comment and say how proud you are of me. We'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.